Successful completion of our entrepreneurship skill training, facilitated by our co-hosting House of Arts and All Stars Entrepreneurship Training team. First, let me thank our facilitators to their patience. I know teaching entrepreneurship to young people is no small task, especially when most of us thought that cash flow was just moving money from our pocket to the nearest fast food outlet. But truly, your guidance has transformed our thinking. You didn't just teach us how to start business, you also taught us how to believe in ourselves. These past 2 weeks have been more than lessons in business plans, marketing strategies, and financial literacy. They have been lessons in resilience, creativity, and collaborations. We learned that entrepreneurship is not all about waiting for opportunities, but about creating them. As one of the renowned entrepreneurs, Steve Jobs, once said, innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Today, as graduates, we are no longer followers of dreams, but we are leaders of possibilities. To all my fellow graduates, I say this to you. Graduation isn't the end of our journey, but it's the beginning of a new chapter. And the skills we have gained here are seeds. That is, if we nurture them with discipline and courage and community spirit, they will grow into enterprise that not only sustain us, but uplift our communities. Let us all remember that entrepreneurship is not just about profiting, but about purpose. It is about solving problems, creating value, and building a future where every young person has a chance to thrive. In my closing remarks, so as we step forward, let us all carry the lessons of these entrepreneurship skills with pride. And if anyone here is still nervous about starting their business, just remember, even the biggest companies started small. A reminder is that Amazon, one of the giant industries, started in a garage. And also Facebook began in a dorm room. So if your business starts in your mother's kitchen, don't worry. You might just be the next thing. Congratulations to all of you. I thank you, all those that were present. Thank you.